She asked, "If I give my daughter the name Chinazo, what type of personality traits will that give her?" So then, her ancestor looked at her and said, "That's a great question. Chinazo's names give them the power to be courageous, empathetic, and well spoken. Since they embody God's saving grace, they are always inspired to help those in need." Jasmine said she likes that name a lot. She remembered all the times in her life when God had saved her from bad situations. If she named her daughter Chinazo, this would be a great way to continue to remind herself of God's saving grace in her life. Jasmine then asked her ancestor, "Are there more names too?" Her ancestor said, "Yes," and then a blinding flash of light suddenly whisked her away. Her ancestor said, "The third name